today's video, we are going to be unboxing the November Discovered Beauty Box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video, like I just said, we are going to be unboxing the November Discovered Beauty Box. I will apologise now, you're going to see reflections in my glasses with my lights. There's nothing I can do about it. I've started getting a headache, and when I get a headache, my eyesight is disgusting to start off with, but when I get a headache it reduces even further, so yeah, we're needing glasses. But yeah, here is the box, and Jesus Christ, it's heavy. We are late in the month, so you're probably going to see another unboxing in the next 2 weeks for the December box. But yeah, this is the November one. How much is this box? This is £30 I think for new subscribers, isn't it? Yeah, £30 per month. I will link it down below in the information box for you if you are interested. I have never been disappointed with any of these boxes since I've subscribed to this box, and it's over a year now. And yeah, if you click that link, is there a code or is it just clicking the link? It'll get you a couple of pounds off your first boxing anyway. But yeah, this is inside the box. We always get a thank you note in here, thanking with full purchase. Here is the edit card. Oh, that's pretty. And yeah, it has all the information, all the products in this. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. And here is inside the box. Always very neat and tidy. So there is a quick sneak peek. Well, it's not really a sneak peek, is it? I can't move anything because these things are going to fall out. But we'll have a dig through and we'll see exactly what is in here. So before we do that, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family, I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And yeah, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button, helps my channel out so much. And just a little reminder for you, I pay for this box by myself. I pay for this box myself. This is not a PR box, so this box is done now. I don't get the box in time to show you, so you can buy it in time. Only people who get PR boxes do. But it gives you an idea of what to expect in each boxes. Have a look at my album, my Discovered Beauty album, and yeah, there's some amazing products in the boxes that I've unboxed so far. But yeah, let's get to it. Quickly going back to the edit card, here it just tells us this edit is called Autumnal Vides. Settle in for autumn, DBB fam. As we get into autumn, we settle into the cozy vibes and all the warm feels. This November edit helps you get right into the season. Awesome. So yeah, oh yeah, forgot there. This box has a value of £154.88. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand, is it Aumello? I hope I'm saying that right. And it's Radiance Renewal Pro Vitamin Moisturiser. This has an RRP of £28. It can be used day or night, and it is cruelty free. Get glowing and radiant skin all day long. Nourish your face daily with this powerhouse full of natural best ingredients. Created with green tea extract, apricot, rosehip and borage seed oil. Your face will be hydrated all season long and will look and feel renewed. Yeah, that sounds absolutely amazing. Never heard of that brand before, so I always get excited about brands that I've never heard of before. No, I'm going to leave the top on. I'm going to leave that sealed because I don't want to... Yeah, it's a pump thing. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave it sealed. Yeah, but I'm excited about that. Can't wait to try it. So the second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Nail Kind, and it's nail polish, and it's not just one, we have two, which is very nice indeed. These have a value of £8.95 each. They are vegan, cruelty free and natural. So the shades that you get is French Martini and Glazed Cupcake. Hearty autumnal colours for the multi-award winning brand Nail Kind. Made up with 85% bio-sourced ingredients such as sugarcane, corn and maize. I thought maize was corn. Am I being dumb? Probably am. Formulated to be quick drying, it's easy to apply and gentle on the nails. Yeah, very nice indeed. So I'm not going to open them, but as you can see here, they're like little glitzy ones. They've got like little shimmers in. So this is a purple one and this is a red one. That's very Christmassy indeed. And well, they're both absolutely gorgeous actually. Very nice. Very pretty. I like how we get two. Third item in the box is this. Oh, and this. So we get 3 products for the third item. So this is by the brand Naughty Hair Care. And we get a Detox Dynamo shampoo with a value of £7.99. The scalp scrub, which is £8.99, and the hair towel, which is £13. It's a shame it's not a shampoo and conditioner. What am I going to do for a conditioner? There is no conditioner. Yeah, ignore me. So prepare your hair for the harsher weather and comfort it with fabulous treats. Start with a detoxifying scalp scrub to care for the root of your hair. The scalp scrub aims to exfoliate the scalp and prep it for the shampoo application. Next in line is the detox shampoo, which removes build-up residue caused by pollution, hard water and styling products. Leave your hair fresh and clean. But last but not least, a fabulous microfiber towel. Perfect for speedy drying as it's highly absorbent and can hold up to 500 millilitres of water. Holy crap. It's also super soft and aids in reducing static and hair breakage. Cruelty free and suitable for all hair types. Wow, that's a hell of a set, really, isn't it? So the third product is 3 products. That's insane, absolutely insane. So let's just open this. Ooh, that is purple. Hell yeah. That feels so good. Oh my god, it's like, it's heavy, it's got a weight to it. That is so cute. We have a little logo there, the brand. Oh, and yeah, it's quite a big one as well, which is cool. Oh my god, it feels so nice and snuggly. That is so awesome. I don't know why I'm flabbergasted, because Discovered Beauty do awesome products like this. And then yeah, so this is the scrub. Can you see that's the scrub there? Oh yeah, I can feel the little bits in it. I don't think you can see the little bits, but yeah, I've just put my lip in that. It hasn't got much of a scent on it. Has the shampoo? It's very pleasant. I can tell that it's very, very pleasant scent. Okay, I think what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to go to the shop and see if I can buy the conditioner that goes with this, so I can try them all out together. To have a full set of 3 would be amazing. But yeah, what a great, awesome set to get. So the 4th product in the box we have is this. Well, it's the 4th product, but it's not, because look how many products are sitting right there. But yeah, is this. This is by the brand London Botanical Laboratories, and it's bok choy and CBD serum. Ooh, wow, this has a value of £79. Best use at night before your moisturiser application. The answer for an alternative to traditional retinol is here, and it comes in the form of bok choy. Bok choy is considered a breakthrough anti-aging serum that delivers retinol results without the irritation. Curated to smooth the appearance of acne and fine lines and even and brighten the skin tone. This serum comes with added benefit of kakadu plum, plump pine and wild plum fruit extracts, as well as aloe vera and argan oil for additional hydration. Well, Jesus, that's got basically nearly everything in it. Right, oh yeah, the box is sealed. I'm leaving that sealed, but I take it that's what it's going to look like inside when we take the bottle out. Yeah, cool. I am definitely willing to give that a go. Love anything that's anti-aging, especially for fine lines and wrinkles. Nice. Hi guys, so this is the Autumnal Vides Edit, the November Discovered Beauty box, with a value of £154.88. What do you think? Personally, this is such a good box. This is amazing. So we get a fabulous serum in here with a value of 79 bloody quid. And we have all of these products. It's classed as 4 products, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. Yeah, so nice. I can't describe how soft and velvety and thick and good quality this feels. That's amazing. Yeah, can't wait to try out that moisturiser. Again, the serum, and yeah, the shampoo and conditioner and the little nail varnishes. happy. That's a massive thumbs up from me. Yeah, I don't need to say anything else. What do you think? Comment down below. Again, if you're interested, the link's below. It'll save you a couple of quid. Yeah, check it out for yourself. Why not? But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I will see you in the next one. Bye.